Okay, here we are back with another Gino gem to help your trading day on how to get the answer you're looking for as a trader. This is so important. This is truly a gem I should have put out as #1 gem. It's one of the reasons we created Tackle Trading is, you're going to find the education out there. There's plenty of watch lists and stuff, but sometimes you need coaching. In fact, all the time you need a coaching. You need to break out of that independent box and get a community feel. So in Tackle Trading, as you know, we have a great amount of education. We've got a great amount of watch list. But what we have also is a community. It's top notch. And how do we connect as a community? We have for our pro members what's called Discord. Discord is one of the newest and best communication channels we've plugged into. It allows you 24/7 to plug into the Tackle community, not just the coaches, but the traders. And just real quickly, we'll teach you how to use it if you don't know how to use it. You have a lot of communication channels on the left. I'm going to click Tackle Trading. And there's a lot of different areas I've created because I'm one of the administrators here. I have a lot of different subfolders, different rooms, different areas, but everybody's got this new trader chat. You can come in under the new trader if you're brand new or even advanced, and you can ask questions and get them answered because getting the knowledge you need, sometimes it's critical on time. It's timestamp important, right? Like you need an answer today about your trade. Should I roll? Should I take assignment? What do you think of this trade? That's what I like. Like you wouldn't believe how many times I'll throw a trade in here and say, what do you guys think of this trade? And a student or a coach will come in and say, you know what, I have a better one than that. Or have you thought about this strategy? It's a great way to really double check and also timestamp. I find a lot of trades in here. In fact, I'm just going to finish real quickly with this. If you have any questions, come into Discord. We'll hook you up with that. That's free to our pro members. You can even come in here and use your microphone. You don't have to type. You can just click that. Your microphone's on. You can share your screen. We'll give you a mini lesson so you know how to use it. We're on here all the time. You always have a coach on here. If you're in one of our labs, check this out. You'll always have access to your lab coach. If you're a member of all of them, you can jump in and say, hey, I got a question for Team Vikings, and you're following those trades. What's nice is I just click in here and say, okay, what are they talking about on Team Vikings now and get their trades. One of my favorites I want to finish on that makes this worth the price of a pro member is Condors. I love coming in here and seeing where Coach Tyler, here's his list. Here's his setup for the credit spread for the rut right here. There it is. There's the credit. You know how much time that just saved me? This guy is a professional credit spread trader. In fact, I helped him learn that in Condor back in 2008. So 2007, 2008, him and I were trading Condors. So I like what he does here. I could jump in here and say, okay, what Condors are? Look at that, he just posted this. Look at that right there. It's community. It's a lot of time saving. And it's nice to know you can get your question answered just by coming in here and plugging in. So that is a great tool, one of the #1 tools of Tackle. Jump into it if you haven't yet. And that is Gino's gem. Don't hesitate on this one. A lot can be taken out of Discord. There you got it. That's a Gino gem. See you next time.